Hello everyone, my name is Camille. I'm the owner of Morfosoaps. Thank you for joining me with this soap making video today. Now, if you are new to this channel is related to Morfosoaps, our family business. It's a small family business. We do handmade soaps, bath and body products, and we also do candles. I invite you to subscribe to our channel if this is something that's interesting for you, and also to check our website for our listed products for supporting our business. So today's soap is about the making of lime berries soap by Morfosoaps. So as the name says, it's scented with lime and berries fragrance oil, both combined. I had a blend of fragrances, but it really smells nice. And also the design, I tried my best. I will show you how the soap looks like. It looks really nice, and I tried to go with the colors, so the blue to represent the berries, and then the green to represent the lime, and then the white, the usual I use for the white piping. And I went on the top with the soap. I did a green gumbo to represent the lime, and then those berries, I have a blackberry and a blueberry. So this is how the soap looks like. It smells really nice. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and maybe share it with a friend. This will help us. And if you like our soaps, go ahead to morfosoaps.ca and you can purchase the soap or any other bath and body product from our website. We would like your support as well. Now, until next week, I'll see you again with another fruit. Take care of yourself and enjoy yourself, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.